Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need. Now begin. Start by confirming essentials and safety, then perform the first measurable action. Attach the primary component and secure 2 mounting points. Once done, test alignment and make minor adjustments until parts sit flush. This avoids rework later. Make sure to keep your checklist visible and work in short cycles because steady progress prevents mistakes. You'll set a reliable foundation for the more complex middle steps that follow. Now you move into the core execution phase. You'll calibrate moving parts, then tighten fasteners in alternating patterns to ensure even pressure. This prevents warping. Connect wiring or interfaces carefully and verify continuity or connectivity after each connection so errors are isolated. Once done with a module, test its function before proceeding to the next. That way you catch problems early. Make sure to document adjustments and maintain You're in the final stage. Run a full functional test under normal conditions and watch for inconsistencies. If everything passes, secure covers, apply seals, and label key connections so future servicing is faster. Once done, tidy the workspace and record final settings. If a test fails, don't panic. Reproduce the failure, then isolate the component involved and revert the last change. That single-step rollback often reveals the root cause. Finally, confirm operation one more time before closing the project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.